Hey guys, what's up? Joe Paris here. In this video, I'm going to talk to you about cryptocurrency exchanges. And basically what an exchange is it's a place for you to trade your cryptocurrency. So let's say that I had Bitcoin and I wanted to buy some Dash. Well, on Coinbase, they don't offer currently at this time, and they may in the future, for you to just automatically buy Dash. Now, what you would have to do is you would have to go to a cryptocurrency exchange, deposit your Bitcoin, exchange it for Dash, hopefully then show a profit, turn it then back into Bitcoin, send it back to a place like Coinbase, and then withdraw it. So there is a little bit of a process here, and there is a few steps. However, it can be done, and once you get the hang of it, it's not super difficult. Now, the place that we're going to be using for our videos is Binance. Now, as you can see, here is the Binance homepage. You can see my estimated Bitcoin account is right around $2,500. And as you can see here, look at all these different types of cryptocurrencies. Absolutely incredible. There's more than 200 here that you can trade. Now, what's really important as we go forward is one, you're going to need to sign up for a Binance account. Again, it's a very similar process to signing up for something like Coinbase or Local Bitcoins or Gemini. It's very similar to that process where you're going to have to enter your name, information, and all that kind of fun stuff. Binance, though, however, it wasn't as difficult as some of these other ones. The process for me was actually pretty smooth. Now, again, I don't know exactly for each one of you who's watching this where you are in the world, so make sure you do your research. Now, as you can see right now, I've invested in Tron, Cardano, Ethos, VeChain, Modem, and the Binance coin. And I also have a little bit of Bitcoin. So you can see my portfolio right now. I've definitely diversified a little bit. And honestly, I have a majority of my cryptocurrency in Steem. Okay, so Steem is the main website that I have my cryptocurrency. Right now, I have more than $31,000 locked up here. If we click on the refresh button, it's $32,000 now. This is where I have a majority of my stake, and I have a decent following here. If you want to learn more about Steem and how to get Steem, the cryptocurrency, stay tuned. And also make sure to follow me once you get to Steem it. You'll be able to read my blog articles where I show you exactly, how to use this platform. A lot of these have done really well. I've earned hundreds of dollars on this, and one of my posts went viral. $1,500 for just posting a blog video and article on DTube. So if you're interested in that, that's for another time. But I will show you in this course how to get Steem. Second step in our process is to now sign up for one of these exchanges, and I'm going to be showing you in this course Binance. Now, you can use an exchange like Bittrex. Another exchange that you can use is BlockTrades. I've actually used BlockTrades multiple times. And as you can see here, you have Steem, Steem Dollars, Litecoin, Ether, Dogecoin or Dogecoin, however you say that, Dash, and there's a few other cryptocurrencies that you can trade here. So if I wanted to trade, let's say, Bitcoin for Steem, and this is the exact way that I did this, I go down to Steem, one Bitcoin gets me 2,000 Steem at the current price. 2 Bitcoin will get me right around 4,000 Steem, and so on and so forth. So this is how you would trade it, and there's a whole process to it, which I will share with you in a little bit. But I'm also going to be sharing with you how to get more than 200 different types of cryptocurrencies here using Binance. So stay tuned. In our next video, I'm going to show you exactly how I was able to invest in these cryptocurrencies. Thanks, guys. I'll see you very soon.